Good morning to all. This is Dr.A.Sethupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about a case study, aircraft landing gear failures. Most of the aircraft crashing due to the land gear not worked in the time where the flight is landing. So this case study will uh, give a clear established how to arrange the landing gear before the plane landing. So this is a real life case study of a critical aircraft landing gear failure, its investigation and the lessons learned from this incident. So land gear, one of the most important in the aircrafts. The land gear is working on the time when the flight is landing. So this is most important. So in this case study, we can see the overview of aircraft landing gear. So understand the crucial role of landing gear in aircraft operations, from supporting the aircraft during landing to providing stability on the ground. First one is main components. What are the components included in the landing gear? The landing gear system consists of wheels and tires, shock absorbers, brakes, and structural elements such as struts and beams. So the beams and struts are holding the rim, tire, and brake system, including in the aircraft. The second one is functional requirement. So the landing gear must withstand immense forces, provide smooth landings, and support the aircraft during taxi, takeoff, and ground operations. So these are the functions of the landing gear. The third one is design consideration, how to design land gears in aircrafts. So durability, then weight reduction, aerodynamics, and redundancy are all critical factors in landing gear design. While we are going to design a landing gear, these design considerations are very important. In this case study background, learn about the context and the circumstances surrounding the specific aircraft landing gear failure case study. So airline Aerojet, the aircraft model AJ550, flight number FL5501, date August 15, 2022. So description of the landing gear failure. Delve into the specificities of the landing gear failure incident and the immediate consequence it had on the aircraft, crew, the passengers. So visible damage. So the picture shows the damage of the aircraft failure, the landing gears. So how the aircraft will be fall down on the ground due to failure of the landing gear. So the landing gear exhibited structural damage, including fractures and metal fatigue. So the designing a land gear, the material is very important. The material withstand the shock energy and impact loads, and not easily get the fatigue or some other cracks. So the metal selection is very important. The emergency landing, the flight crew had to execute an emergency landing due to the compromised landing gear. So the landing gear problem, the flight will be emergency landing. Then safe evacuation. All passengers and crew members safely evacuated the aircraft using emergency slides. So investigation of the failure. Explore the thorough investigation conducted to determine the causes and contributing factors of the landing gear failure. Technical analysis. Structural engineering experts examine the landing gear components for material defects and stress anomalies. Maintenance records. The maintenance team reviewed the aircraft's maintenance history, inspection, and repair records. Flight data recording were analyzed to identify any abnormal behavior or indications prior to the failure. These are all the investigation report we are preparing after the land gear failure. So lessons learned and recommendations. So what are the lessons learned from this failure? So discover the key finding of the investigation and the recommendations made to prevent similar landing system failures in the future. Improve training. Provide enhanced training for pilots and maintenance personnel on early detection of abnormal landing gear behaviors. Number one, enhanced inspections. Implement more rigorous and frequent inspections of landing gear components for signs of fatigue and wear. Then strengthen reporting system. Establish a robust reporting system for potential landing gear issues and near misses to share lessons across the industry. In this conclusion, summarize the case study, emphasizing the importance of proactive maintenance through the investigation and continuous improvement in aviation safety. Evidence-based analysis, learn from incidents and invest in evidence-based analysis to prevent future failures. So collaboration and information sharing, facilitate collaboration between airline manufacturers and regulatory bodies to share best practices and lessons learned. Safety first, keep safety as the top priority, constantly striving to make aviation safe for passengers, crew, and ground personnel. Thank you.